Do you dream of making money while you sleep? Of having a steady stream of income flowing into your bank account without lifting a finger? Well, get ready to unleash the power of affiliate marketing and put your profits on autopilot. Affiliate marketing is a simple yet powerful concept. You promote someone else's product or service, and every time someone makes a purchase through your unique link, you earn a commission. Sounds easy, right? It is. The first step is to choose a niche that you're passionate about. Maybe it's fitness, fashion, or even pet products. Find something you love and can truly stand behind. Once you have your niche, it's time to start promoting products within that niche. There are countless affiliate programs out there, just waiting for you to join. Companies like Amazon, ClickBank, and Commission Junction offer a wide variety of products in almost every niche you can imagine. Simply sign up, grab your affiliate link, and start sharing it with your audience. But how do you find an audience? Well, that's where content creation comes in. Start a blog, create YouTube videos, or engage with your audience on social media. Be consistent and provide value. Build trust and credibility with your audience, and they'll be more likely to make purchases through your affiliate links. Now, it's important to remember that affiliate marketing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time and effort to build your audience and start seeing profits. But once you do, the rewards can be incredible. Imagine waking up to notifications of commission payments, all while you were sound asleep. So, what are you waiting for? Start harnessing the power of affiliate marketing and watch your profits soar. Say goodbye to the traditional 9-to-5 grind and hello to financial freedom.